up and down action here by both sets of players.
How many years are you here playing in Real Madrid? Yes?
Llevo 3 años.
3 años.
Sí.
¿Te gusta Madrid?
I love Madrid, man. I love Madrid. It's a great city. You have everything here. People are nice, the city is nice, the culture, good restaurants, nightlife, everything is great.
Tú sabes que yo cuando os veo tan grandes, digo, tú tienes muchos más años que yo. I think you are older than me because you are so big. Maybe you not, but Trey looks like 40.
Trey looks 40?
No. Trey looks like 25 or something like that. 27, yeah. Es como Luka Doncic cuando me dice 18 años. Digo, ¿18 años? Tú no tenías tiempo para crecer tanto en 18 años.
No.
He's too big for 18 years old.
He's like unique, man.
What was your first tattoo, you remember?
My first tattoo was the letters I have here. Right here. And then after that, it just kind of went everywhere.
After that, you said, okay,
I was like, man,
it's not too painful.
Yeah.
I can keep it, the painful. So, and all the tattoos have a meaning for you? Or you make some tattoos
Most
for...
of them do. Most of them do. Some of them I just saw something, like I like the design, and I just wanted to get it, you know. But most of my tattoos have meaning.
Do you have a favorite one?
I think it's this one right here. The one we did of Odin. Yeah.
Yeah, because you're a Viking.
Yeah, I think it's my favorite one. I think it's really cool. A lot of the ones on this arm, I like this one too. The one we did here.
Yeah, that is the bill of...
That was my favorite. And then the one I have on my back of my mom and dad.
That's cool.
I think that's my favorite. The one on the back of my mom and dad.
This looks good.
Yeah.
But you always were living in USA, or no, your hometown is...
My hometown is in Sweden, but I was in the US for college, university, and then I was in the NBA. So I was there for like 9 years.
Your father was playing also in the NBA, no?
Yeah. So he's from there. He went to university there, played in the NBA, and then he went to Europe and he played in Sweden, and then he met my mom.
What about the difference between ACB with the NBA? It's a very big difference.
There's a difference, but I think the ACB has a very good quality of basketball. You know, they make sure they take care of their players, especially Real Madrid. Do a really good job of taking care of us and making sure we have everything we need. So really, between Real Madrid and the NBA, it's not that much difference in the way we get treated and the way, you know, they help us and stuff.
Because that is something similar, you know, I don't know, but the NBA has a lot of care about the players.
Yeah.
And Real Madrid also, no?
Yeah.
They really. Care a lot of
really they do.
That's very good. What do you think about this? So I think, because the other day we were talking about the relationship between your tattoo artist and so the tattoo artist and you know, because you are a lot of hours with your tattoo artist, and in the end he's doing something in your skin for all your life.
Yeah, you have to trust.
Yeah.
You have to have a lot of trust in
yeah, so and in the end it's you have so many hours. This is like the barber shop.
Yeah, no.
Everybody count his his problems.
Yeah, no, really, man. It's like the same if somebody is like cutting your hair, you have to trust that they're gonna do a good job. But with the tattoo, it's like
maybe a little bit more.
Even more, because this is like permanent. So really, really have to make sure that you choose the right people to tattoo you. And with me, I've had one other person tattoo me before you know.
Okay, Jeff, thank you very much for this amazing interview.
No problem, man.
I appreciate you a lot. You are a fucking really good person. Love you, man.
Yeah, you too,
and I'm going to continue tattooing you, okay? Maybe when we finish your back.
We're gonna finish. It's gonna end with we finish everything.
Thanks, bro.
No problem, man.